Florida's national seashores are some of the most underrated environments in the entire country. What you're looking at is a barrier island ecosystem. These islands act as a natural buffer between ocean and inland Florida, and they are constantly changing. Wind, tides, and storms reshape these environments in real time, and because of that, only highly specialized species can actually survive here. You'll find shorebirds, crustaceans, reptiles adapted to sand and salt exposure. It's one of the few places where land, ocean, and atmosphere are constantly interacting at the same time.
Okay.
All right, this way.
This way?
Yep. I mean, we can start on the boardwalk if you want to start the boardwalk, so we don't have to walk on the dirt, and then we can. You want to?
I don't have any other shoes. I know. Well, I don't know why we didn't try to find her.
Corey.
Yes.
Elizabeth.
Allie, Lizzie.
She has no idea how to walk on a leash.
We're walking. Come on.
She's like, I don't want
Wow. This is
it. Cool?
Yeah, this is not like Rhode Island.
No. And then keep an eye over here because this is where all the gopher turtles are.
And cactus.
Yep, beautiful cactus.
Snakes of the dunes.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Oh, a colubrid. Black racer.
Non-venomous black racer.
Oh, they have eastern indigos.
Beautiful.
Oh my god,
They
there's
look like
eastern
lizards,
indigos.
right?
They're
Pygmy
so
rattles. Red corn snakes.
They're corns.
Venomous diamondback.
Yeah, that's what we saw.
Ringneck. I love those.
The ringnecks are so pretty.
So pretty. And what is that? Coach whips.
Cool.
This I want to find. I want to find an eastern indigo so bad. They're so thick. Feeding for hours on grasses, herbs. Underground burrows, 10 to 35 feet long and 3 to 20 feet deep. 3 to 20 feet deep. That's crazy. What? Where? Oh, there he is.
Where?
He's right here. He's so pretty.
Warning me that he's a big bad boy.
What?
Hurry up, quick, quick.
What is it? What is it?
He's a big lizard.
I didn't even hit you.
So these little trees right here, those are the sea grapes that are in my backyard.
Oh.
The sea grape trees.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Sea grapes?
Are there
Sea grapes.
actually like,
They are actually sea grapes. Yep.
like so there's actual
Is this where you walked the other day, Cora? Yeah?
You want to feel sweet? What's that?
Cora, yeah, so walk in the water. It'll keep you warmer.
No, it's the one going in the water. What are you doing? What are you doing?
See? Isn't it like it warms up quick, huh? Hey, do you know Hey, hey. Arr, good boy. Throw it to him. Throw it to him. Get it. Arr. Look how deep it gets quick. Gets deep quick, Cora. Cora, careful. It gets deep fast. Watch. Ready? Look at this. It goes right down. So careful. Yeah, stay up here. Daddy knows how deep things get quick.
Oh yeah, look at that. Like.
Yeah, see how like right here is over your head, Cora. Watch, ready? Daddy goes in. Look how deep this gets quick. Ready? Down.
Yeah. That's
See
why
that?
we didn't stop here. No, we're gonna stop where it's not. See the fish jumping out of the water right here?
Yes.
That's how close they are to the shore. So that's how close the sharks come to the shore. Yes.
Scary.
Wow, that's crazy. That is so deep right there. Lila, see how you can't see like the
Yeah. That coffee.
what? Yeah. They can't get it out until it's high tide.
Yeah, they can get it out. It's that now they're gonna be hugely fined, so they can't afford to get it out, so they leave it there. Yep. Super expensive if you beach your vehicle.
That's really pretty though.
Yeah.
Girls,
Come on, Barbara! Come on, baby!
you know what to look for, right? To see how the depth is. See all the light shining? You can see like the rays coming up. If you can't see the bottom, but you can only see the rays, that's how you know it's over your head. Okay?
You guys want to take a picture in front of that boat? You want to? Why would you? Right where Jess and Cora are now.
Mom's gonna be extra slow because she's starting to pick up shells.
Yeah. Yeah, they're collecting shells.
So Mom's gonna be extra slow now.
That's okay. We're in no time rush.
Yeah, but over here is like sandbar-ish. Like
Yeah.
they can go a little further over here. I'm just checking depth. What? Oh. Yeah, it's more sandy over here.
Yeah, here, let's move. I want to move a tiny bit that way for us.
Yeah, over here more.
This way it's definitely shallow a little farther out. Like you're not going to go in the water or anything, but yeah, like right here.
Right here?
Yeah, right over here. But you got your key in there? Gonna use it for the zip tie.
I don't know, some sort of picture show Daddy and Daddy. Something alive in there. Let's see.
Oh, that's a barnacle.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's a barnacle. Feel it?
It's like squishy.
Open that.
You're welcome.
Dad.
Yeah, it's alive, but you can,
Yes.
I would put that one back.
I'll go put him back.
or you can flick it off and throw it in the water.
Oh, Catherine.
It's a sand dollar.
Ew. Oh.
Is it a sand dollar? No.
You know.
Oh, that's a little, yeah, that's a little sea urchin.
I found a little crab. It's so cute.
Oh, let's see. Put it in your bucket. Hold on. Where's your bucket? Put it in your bucket.
He's eating the is this a mussel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, Melissa.
Oh, ew, babe.
It's a crab.
Look at Cora. Look
Hold
at
on.
down at your feet.
Oh, he's mad.
I'm gonna eat the crab. I'm gonna...
Keeps like putting his little. Look at him, babe. He's so tiny.
Oh, you're so dressed in
It's a little crab. He's so angry. Look at him, Tracy. He's so tiny.
Oh,
He's so mad.
he's very mad that we interrupted his lunch.
Yep. That's so pretty.
Should I get some sun on my back?
Babe,
Now
no.
take the shirt off. Who cares?
No, should I get sun on it though?
Yeah, but we need to spray you.
He's gonna die.
No, we can't ship them.
You can't bring him on the plane.
Like I love crazy fish.
Yeah.
But like no, too much
Yeah.
upwork.
Maybe.
Maybe when I open up the zoo and can hire people to take care of them.
Yeah, exactly.
The most aquatic thing I'll have is an alligator. Did you see your transparent sister walk out before we came on the boardwalk? She was as glowy as you were. A black jean shorts and black
Oh,
top.
well, you don't wear black. That makes you even whiter.
She looked like you before you got sun yesterday.
Babe. So my leg is. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if the top of my leg. They're still very pale, but.
Little butterflies. Oh, look at oh, fire ants. Look at the little ant hill. I don't know if we can see it. Little ant hill. Look at the fire ants. Fire ants. Look at them.
Oh, there's like holes.
Yeah, that little gopher hole, and then you can see all the fire ants come out and in. It's pretty cool. And I found one of those big, like big cicadas, are they called?
Yeah, where is it?
It was over here, and then it flew over here, and it's somewhere back over here. It was like this long. Like,
Really?
Yeah. Hey girls, We found some dead things. We're coming, we're coming.
That's a fish.
That's a dead fish.
Wait, put them all.
I will. Check this thing out. So,
Ew, smells.
Cora, Lila, dead fish.
Smells.
Look at this though. What the fuck is this? Look at the teeth.
Cool.
Yeah, it has like teeth.
Yeah.
Here's the crab.
Oh wow, cool. Most
And
fishes.
and a dead
That
fish.
one still like seems like
Ah, that's like a salted fish.
Look at the teeth on this thing, Cora.
That's cool.
Look at, ready?
What is that?
I don't know.
Some kind of
Look at
ocean
this.
fish.
The fish, the teeth there, and then look at these teeth.
Look, it has blue. That's pretty. Don't break it up though. It's gonna be smelly.
Try to go get those birds.